So what's up guys, welcome to JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial we will be learning about the arrow function. Okay, so let me just save this file on the desktop with the name of arrow. I will say arrow.html, and inside of this code I will be writing my JavaScript code. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will be writing this code inside of my body only, just about the closing tag of the body. So I will give the header. I will say this is my arrow function, and inside of this I will show you how to write your code. So previously we have seen whenever we want to declare a function, we used to give the keyword as function, then we used to say give the name of the function, and after that we used to define the scope, and whenever this function used to get called, it used to execute the code, whatever code that was there inside of this function. Okay, so now if suppose I am giving the alert, and if I am saying hello Akshay, and now if I'm just going down below, and now if I'm just calling this function hello. Okay, so now let me just save this. I will go to my desktop, and this is that file. Let me just execute this. So as can be seen, I'm getting the output as hello Akshay. Okay, but you can also make use of something known as the arrow function, and now let me show you how to define that arrow function. Okay, so in order to declare a arrow function, we will say variable hello. I am giving the very same example what I have shown just now. Okay, so I will say variable hello, then I will make use of that same variable. I will say hello is equal to, then I will give the two round brackets, then again is equal to, and then angle bracket, closing angle bracket, and over here I will write my code. Okay, so basically this is the scope of my arrow function. I will say alert hello arrow function, and I will give the semicolon. I will save this. I'll come over here, and I will refresh. I'm not getting an output because I have not called my function. Okay, so I will say hello, and I will come over here, and I will refresh. So as can be seen, it is giving me the output as hello arrow function. Okay, so whenever you are calling the function, calling method is almost same. Okay, so we have seen how to call over here, and we are calling our function that way only. So now that code is gone. That code was just for your reference, guys. Now it is gone. So this is how you can call your arrow function. You just have to declare the variable as your hello, then hello is equal to two round brackets, then the pointer key, then the scope of your function goes over here, and you have to also call that function. Okay, so now if suppose I want this function to get invoked when I'm clicking on the button, then I can do that. I will say give button over here, and I will give one ID to this button. I will call this is as I will give ID as B1 over here, and I will come inside of my script. Then I will say document dot get element by ID. I will be calling this ID, which is B1, and on this get element by ID, then I will add event listener. I will say add event listener. When anyone will be clicking on this button, I will make use of this click. When anyone will be clicking on this button, I will be calling function hello. Okay, so I will say hello, and now I'm closing this. I'm saving, and that file is on my desktop. I will execute that file. Okay, so now this is that button. Let me give the text click me. I'm saving this. I'm coming over here and refreshing. So when I'm clicking on this, I'm getting this pop-up which says hello, this is alert function, or hello hello arrow function. Okay, so this is how you can call this function with the help of this add event listener. But what if I want to execute this function as soon as this page get refreshed? Okay, so if I want to execute this function as soon as this page gets loaded, then I will be making use of something known as the windows. Okay, so I will say window dot get 11 by id. Why this is not working? Okay, sorry. Dot windows dot add event listener, and on this windows I will say when windows get loaded, I will be calling this function known as a hello. Okay, so now if I'm just saving this, now as soon as I execute this file, this function is also getting executed, which says hello arrow function. So now if I'm just after that these things get loaded. Okay, so as can be seen, now if I'm just refreshing, as soon as I refresh my page. Okay, so now let me tell you how this one line of code is working. So what I'm doing is as soon as page is getting loaded, so whenever you want to apply some or execute some function, when page gets loaded, you will say windows dot add event listener. We are adding event on my window. Okay, window is basically in simple language you can consider our page. When a page gets loaded, we are calling this function hello function, and what this hello function is doing is it is giving the alert which says hello arrow function. Okay, so because of which I'm getting this alert, and as can be seen my previous I mean whatever that was supposed to be getting displayed on my page, it is not getting displayed. So okay, now I'm clicking on this. After that our page is getting loaded. Okay, so this is because of the hello function. And once when a person clicks on this button b1, if suppose I want to display some text, then I will copy this. Okay, so first hello function will be getting displayed, then I will call another function which is a message, and I will give one more function over here. Okay, so I'm just declaring the simple function, not a arrow function, because both of them are same. And I will say message, and inside the scope of this message I will give alert only. I will say alert hello Akshay, whatever that is. Okay, so now if I'm just saving this, coming over here and refreshing my page, this is not working. There must be some error. Okay, okay, so first this function gets loaded because of this windows dot add event listener, which says when page gets loaded, execute this function hello function, and after that it will come over here and it will execute this hello function, and because of which I'm getting this alert which says hello arrow function. And now I will say okay, and after that my page will be getting loaded. Then I will click on this button, and this will say hello Akshay, and I'm getting this alert because I have said document dot get event get element by id, and it will be getting me the button id this. And when anyone will be clicking on this button, I have added this event, which is when anyone will be clicking on this button, I will execute this function which is message function, and inside of my message function there is this alert which says hello Akshay. Okay, and because of which I was getting that output. Okay, so this is the first because of the loading of the page, and this is the second because of clicking of the button. I have added this event which is click, and I'm getting this message. Okay, so this is how this arrow function works, and there is not much difference between the arrow function and hello function. And this is the loading with the windows when windows get loaded. Yeah, that's it guys, thanks for watching.